In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GoodDay layout. Let's get started right from your GoodDay workspace. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main screen, for example, your board or My Work area. The very first thing you want to do is head over to the lower left corner of the screen, where your profile information is located. You should see a small profile icon there, often with your initials or a picture. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is your main entry point for personal settings and customization options. When you click your profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Account Settings. This is where all of your personal preferences live, including layout and appearance options. Click on Account Settings, and GoodDay will open a new page or panel dedicated to your account configuration. Once the Account Settings page is open, look for a section or tab called Skin and Layout. This is the area designed specifically for visual customization. The wording might be grouped with other appearance settings, but the key phrase you're looking for is Skin and Layout. Click on that option to move into the customization screen. Now you're in the right place to actually change how GoodDay looks and feels. In the Skin and Layout section, you'll see different ways to customize your theme. Depending on your version and permissions, this might include choosing between light and dark modes, picking accent colors, or selecting different layout styles that affect how information is arranged on the screen. Take a moment to explore the options you see. As you click through different skins or layout choices, GoodDay may show you a preview so you can get a sense of how everything will look before you commit. If there's an apply or save button, make sure you click it after choosing the theme you prefer, so your changes are actually stored. If changes apply automatically, just confirm that everything looks the way you want it. Once you're happy with your new layout, you can navigate back to your main board or My Work area and continue working with your updated theme. That's all you need to do to change the GoodDay layout. Open your profile menu, go to Account Settings, click Skin and Layout, and then customize your theme to match your preferences.